She's gonna sing a song for us. Bye.
Okay. We might have a sick person in the audience.
Dad!
Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm doing a song called People Says, but it's about a teeny weeny little person.
Okay, we did it!
Sing it! Okay. People say Kristen is the cutest little... Okay. Here, so no one will take it. Just put it on a couch or something. People say Kristen is the cutest, and she has feet that are only a milliliter tall. Her hands are small as a grub.
Your life sucks.
Okay.
Okay, do you think this smells good? Smell it. I'll take that as a no.
Sorry, we kind of died there.
We died! We died! Sorry, I'm really sick. Okay. One time, I was at McDonald's. Oh, by the way, my name's Bob. Okay? Yeah. One time, I was at McDonald's, and this huge fat guy came up to me and was like, "Do you like going to the bathroom?" I'm like, "Sure." He's like, "Well, now you can't more because you have a seat warmer, golden toilet seat. It's so beautiful, you want to go to the bathroom every second." And I was like, "Sure." And now I love going to the bathroom. Woo!
Hi. Sorry about that. That's a little strange.